Very few are born lucky. Those who work hard can make themselves lucky. Hi everyone, this is me, Sampriti pran Hazarika. I am proud to be born and brought up on a town rich in heritage, culture and an abode of spirituality, Dergaon. I am a student of class 9 studying at Sisubharati English Medium High School. I strongly believe that with hard work, passion, we can achieve any goal in life. I am order learner and a dancer by heart and love to act and paint. I always believe that we should chase our dream. Visiting Sibdol and Khanika Namghar enlightened my mind and soul. Modeling is my passion and I am very much enthusiastic, dedicated and diligent towards this profession. Today I am where I am because of my family's support and their belief in me and my dreams. My parents instilled in me deep applications to be independent and have a strong position in society. I am complete to extend this dream to those women who lack this privilege while balancing tradition and without hurting community sentiment. I wish if I get a chance, I would definitely work on the issue of educating girls because it will open the window to empower them by eradicating ignorance. I truly believe beauty of the mind, heart and soul is the real beauty. I consider that if our body is healthy, our mind is healthy too. There is a famous saying, health is wealth. Good health is impossible without proper exercise. So I believe in doing some workout depending upon our physical constitution. I believe I am a strong, courageous and confident girl who believes in herself and always follow the path of righteousness, morally correct and justifiable. Eventually, I thank DS Creation for organizing this event. I also offer my gratitude to the director and founder of this event, Deepsika Kashyap Sarkar ma'am and President and Assistant Director Rasmi Satramanti ma'am, and my special thanks to the Director of Upper Assam, Mrs. Riju R. Saikia, because her support helps me to participate in Miss Teen India National 2020. Lastly, I want lots of love and bless from you all. Thank you.